We wanted to step out on our own and do our own thing, and it's a huge challenge, and we did it, and we're now a year and a half, almost 2 years into it, and the sort of scalability that is sold with the franchise is true. So we are loving it. It's been a lot of work, but we see the road that is planned, and it's panning out that way. It surprised me that if you continue to follow that path with all the people supporting you and everything, you see, you reach those levels. And I get surprised all the time, actually. And the neat thing about it is it's a time process where every 6 months you probably make a little bit of progress. And that's a pretty nice thing. It's our own business, and we're pretty excited about that. So it's impacted us greatly. We are creating a product that is difficult to create, and when done right, comes out to be a beautiful thing. And you see that in the customers. The customers, when you're finished with their garage, are just totally thrilled with it, and continue to tell you that for months. We've been fortunate being down in South Florida to work in some really beautiful houses with double garages, big installs, and all the fancy cars and everything. But one wild one was a 3,000 square foot garage that the realtor needed done in 2 days. We'd only been in business like 6 months, and it took us a whole day to grind it. So we then did a 3,000 square foot garage in 1 day in our first 6 months. So that was pretty exciting, and we nailed it.